So today, the 29th of December, on this day last year, my baby Sheymar was born. So if I lived to see it today, it would have been 1 year old today. But he did not. So his grave is still there without his name on it. So in the meantime, until something else is done, I need to go and write his name on his grave. So I intended to do that before today's actual day, but did not get the chance to. So I'm trying to do that now. So I'll just allow you to see the sceneries as we are going along. So I'm walking from Comfort Castle to Ginger House. Good morning. You gonna stay with them? After the next 100B1. After the next 100B1 year old. May I go write in name and come back? I will lift my glass. Good morning, thanks for joining. So today, the 29th of December, would have been my baby's first birthday, but unfortunately he did not live to see it today. So I'm here walking to write his name on his grave because he has been buried since October, but there's no name on his grave, and that does not sit well with me. So I wanted to do it before now, but I haven't been able to do so. So right now, I am here walking from the community of Comfort Castle to Ginger House. Morning. Just on one side, you can try both sides. So I'm walking from Ginger House to Comfort Castle with the intention of writing my baby's name on his grave today. since today would have been morning. Today would have been his first birthday, which he did not get to live to see. So yeah, trying to go and write his name on his grave and get back. So I'm just sharing the different sceneries, so you can get glimpses of the Rio Grande River, different attractions as well in our community. So the mountain is misty and it's cold. I guess it's cold everywhere now anyway, because we're in the December months in the winter. Hoping to get a drive, but it's a thin chance of getting one. So yeah, so you can get a good glimpse of the Rio Grande River there, the section of the Rio Grande River. That's a section of the Rio Grande River. A dip in this water will revitalize anybody in the morning. Revitalize and re-energize. So when you can't see the river and what you're supposed to be able to hear it roaring in the background there. So here's another good look at the Rio Grande River in the morning here. Hoping that it's not blurry. Hoping that you're getting a clear view. So I'm actually at the swinging bridge where the Cesstant Spring Waterfalls is located. I can see a glimpse of the waterfalls in the background. I will be going over to it. Just passing by. Let me see if I can get a glimpse of the swinging bridge. Alright, so you can see the swinging bridge there. So that's where we go to get to the Cesstant Springs Waterfalls. I'm not seeing much of it on camera. I can't see it with my naked eyes. Morning. Me not have video, man. Me not have video. Me not catch up on my video, man. Eh? No, me no practice down there. Me no invade people privacy. No, me say me no invade people privacy. Like, let me see I do something. Me no really set the camera on you. We do video things, but not you. All right. So I'm still here on my journey. 10 minutes gone already. Still on my journey. Walking from Comfort Castle to Ginger House. I can't even see the chat to see if there's anybody there. Also, once you're on the live, go ahead and give the lives a thumbs up for me. You can also share to somebody else that you know that like to see the nature. So this is a good view of the Rio Grande River. This is a great view of the Rio Grande River. So this is where we call Friday. Then it's a good view of the Rio Grande River right here. The bridge. Try to put the camera closer. And so this is the road that I'm on. What time is it? 12 minutes. I can actually get this done and come back. Even if it's not right properly. I see another look at the Rio Grande River. Try to get the person's license plate on it. Try to avoid the license plate. Right, so I pass a lot of Joseph coat plants. Two different types, the green and the red. So this is a sort of craft shop. Whoa. Landslide, so a lot to this part though. They come down a bit. So in the distance we can actually glimpse over Canal Barracks. You can see the houses there that's go back to Canal Barracks. So hoping that in another 5 minutes I can actually reach my destination. It's looking like it's a great view of the Rio Grande River. So good morning to you. Thank you for joining. I would appreciate it if you go ahead and give the live a thumbs up. And if you know somebody that is interested in this type of nature walk, you can share it to them. Thank you all for joining. So whilst you're here with me, you can go ahead, give the live a thumbs up. Also, if you know someone that is interested in this type of scenery, you can go ahead and share it to them. Trying to get as much view of the Rio Grande River as possible. You can get the roar in there. I guess for a while I may not be able to see a good view of the river again until I actually get to Dry River Bridge. So again, I am walking from Comfort Castle to Ginger House. Let's see if I can see the water. This is stones, not the water. So your plants easily take over building. Take over the house completely. Oh, poinsettia still up. I didn't forget to pitch that poinsettia time. I may forget to take it when I come back. One of them this. You're looking at this flower. This is supposed to be one of the different varieties of poinsettia. The Christmas flowers that actually, I think it blooms at Christmas with the red and green there. So this is okay, I'm passing by. This is would be the entrance to the Katawud village. So you are interested in this type of attraction? You can check this out. Good morning. I'm okay. Okay. Alright, so this will be the entrance to Katawud village. Oh, bird. Oh, wait a second. Mark Farley? Yeah. Wayne did there one at a time, don't? Yeah, Wayne was here one at a time, same time. Wayne. Wayne, yeah, Wayne did there one time. Huh? Me meet you when Wayne did there one at a time. Yeah, you met me. Oh, you know my face? Huh? You know my face? Come here, try to remember for you. So me actually on camera though, cause me I walk up to them when my baby die. Oh, so sorry. In August, so today with him still alive, he wouldn't be one today, but no name on him grave, so me I try to write his name and grave and come back. Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. All right. All right. See me around. I'll be around here. Okay. Yes, I just see one, because remember I say that I work on the house. All right. So that's one of one of the persons that visit from time to time. So a lot of the people that are in a community, like are returning residents, or so that they visit from time to time. So I'm almost at the Dry River Bridge. So you can get a clear view of the Grande River from the Dry River Bridge. Let's get this one in my camera. Look this morning. Get your license plate. Alright, so I'm entering the Dry River Bridge. Need some cleanup here, lot of wild plants that took it over. So don't clean up road anymore. Clean off the bridge. Okay, so yep. So this is where the Grande River runs out here. Oh, this is the Dry River. This is the Dry River. So the Dry River is coming from up there in the hills, and it meets the Grande River right here. So this is like a, I should say, a meeting point for both rivers. So both rivers link up right here. So this is where the both rivers link up. So this is the joining here of the Grande River and the Dry River. Here they run into each other like this. I should say the Dry River running to the Grande River. So the Dry River is coming from that section. Grande is on that side. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am. What are you doing?
What are you?
What are you doing?
I got my baby name for them groups. And today we need the B1. Alright. Alright, so I can get in a clear view of the Grande River. If you are not seeing clearly, I'll be happy if somebody could communicate with me in the chat there. Let me know if it's blurry or anything. Because sometimes I'm doing these lives, when I'm finished I realize that the whole thing was blurry. Don't have another device checking it right now. Good morning. What minutes? Turn it off or no? Morning. Not to the river again. Alright, so this might be the last view of the river because I'm going to go up on a hill to get to the cemetery. A junk crowd fly out. So actually going to start the hill now. Morning.
Yo, my friend, big up.
You can still glimpse the Grande River over that side. Climbing the hill now. I hope we can get a drive for you. Go back up. If I intend to come right now, I intend for more get me and the baby them together and make them come out, but it's not easy to walk this distance with the babies, and it's a thin chance of me getting a drive. So it's best if I can go by myself, and then again, never really want to bring the babies on the journey. Morning. Oh, a rooster. Peanut cock. So I don't see nobody talk to me. Nobody now talk to me already. Chat just now show it. And for those of you who have been on the journey from the beginning of the live, thank you very much for staying with me, keeping me company on this walk. Actually, going out of breath. See what sceneries I can show here. You can see the cows there up on the hill. So these are some pineapple plants. Lots of pineapple plants. You can hear the goats there. Not seen any of them though. So I am approaching the cemetery, and I will be after live in a few minutes. I will be right in the my baby name and his grave. I will just make a video with that. I'm not going to stay on the live when I'm doing that. So thank you for joining me, and have yourself a great day again. For those of you just joining, so I was walking from Comfort Castle to Ginger House, and I'm at this Ginger House cemetery. So today would have been my baby's first birthday if he was still alive. So he was buried in October, and there's no name on his grave. So I'm trying to write on his name on his grave today. So today would have been his first birthday, the one that he did not get to see. So this is actually my baby's grave. This is Sheymar's grave. That's the second time that, yeah, after the burial, this is the second time that I'm actually coming back here. Second time that I'm actually coming back here. I actually need some attention. Need sorting out. So thank you for joining me. I'm going to do a live of me writing on his name. Thank you for joining me here. So thank you very much. And I would appreciate if you give the live a thumbs up. Thank you. I'll be coming off now. Where is it? How do I end this thing again?